So let's go ahead and look at the create a question option. So again, we'll click on the plus sign and we'll do create question. Now this is great for bell ringers or exit tickets. You can enter a question, a description if optional, select a due date, you can attach files to it, you can select attach it to more than one period. So here we have our question. It's self-explanatory. We're going to use this as a bell ringer. We're going to go ahead and click ask. Once you click asks, it wants to know what you want the students to do with it. So you can actually use the question feature as a class discussion. So if you leave the option checked, see and reply to each other's answers, that means the students will be able to see their classmates' answers and they'll be able to reply to them and have a little class discussion. You can also allow them to edit their answers once they've posted it. If you prefer this to be a private discussion, maybe this is you're using this as a journal entry, you can always uncheck that option. And then that makes it a private discussion between you and the student. Or if you're doing it for a journal entry, they can have a private place to record their thoughts. So I'm going to go ahead and check that, and we're going to go ahead and click ask. And so there it is posted, and you will see immediately when your students are done with it, they'll move over to the done column and there are two that are not done. So if we scroll down here, I actually have a question where I have some students that have already gone ahead and finished it. So let's go into this. And this is on the teacher side. I can see here immediately it's separated my class, how many students are done, how many students are not done. I can see Sue's answer. I can go ahead and give Sue a reply if her answer was incorrect or if I wanted to compliment her on her answer. I can also choose to return that to the student. I can choose to grade these if I want to, or I can mark them as ungraded, which means that no point value will be assigned, and I can update that. So you have a lot of options here with the question feature. Could be great for a class discussion, could be great for a bell ringer, or even an exit ticket.